All right, here I am with the dogs, gonna rescue the Titan. What's going on is the transfer case. Something seems to be wrong with it, so we're gonna take it out. First step is remove the center tube. Just snapped off both those bolts, but these bolts are actually coming off. All right, so I got both of these nuts off, and then I just fucking realized whatever shop worked on this exhaust welded it. They fucking welded it. Why was there even a bracket here when it was welded? Okay, alternate plan. So I said I was gonna fucking cut the exhaust where they got it welded. I took a step back and I figured, well, if I can, I'll just unbolt it from there and over here. And luckily the impact got that one off, so things are looking good. So we're just gonna try to take this whole fucking section of exhaust off, even though I should have just been able to take that off. I'm trying to get the exhaust off and it's just this one last bolt. Fuck this bolt, man. This is what pain looks like. Whoa, come on, buddy, focus. Who needs two bolts holding up your exhaust anyways? One is probably fine, good enough. I can't believe it. If you live in Saskatchewan and you've ever wondered what your muffler looks like, this is what it looks like. Here. Anyways, I just got this first bolt broken loose on the propeller shaft. Is that a good spot? Yeah, it looks like a good spot. It's not on the oil pan. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the reason the video cut there when I had this thing up in the air with the skid steer is the wheels would spin, but the drive shaft would not. So what I ended up having to do is I unbolted this exhaust here, moved it out of the way, and I was able to get to those two top bolts. Okay, both drive shafts are now off. Anyways, I'm just breaking these nuts loose now. Okay, so the weather took a bit of a turn, but it's okay. I'm just having trouble getting to that last bolt. I fucking unbolted this little bracket thing, try to get it out of the way. I got the socket jammed onto the bolt there. Now, just gonna see if one of these 18 wobble extensions is gonna do the trick to get at it. You can see, I think you could see, probably you could see. Oh, it looks like the socket slipped off, but yeah, that bolt right there, that's undone. That was the last transfer case bolt. I was able to get it. Yeah, all it took was this. So if you're having trouble taking off the cross member underneath the trans, what you gotta do is hold with your wrench, hold the nut side, and impact the head of the bolt. I was having huge trouble because I was trying to get my impact onto the nut and hold the head of the bolt with my wrench. Swap it around, you could easily fit an impact on the head of the bolt all day. Reverse it right out, no problem. Nasty. All right, update. I got the cross member out. That thing was really stuck in there, but I mean, as you can see, sides are all scuffed up. It did not want to come out, but I hit it with a hammer until it complied. Oh, do I ever appreciate the sunlight. All right, so I got a strap on the rear diff, chain hoist in the middle, strap around the transfer case. I got it under tension and I'm gonna start tapping it, ratchet up, tap, tap, ratchet, ratchet, tap, tap. You get the idea. All right, just stop and progress check. I hit it once so far, and that's how much it moved. So, yeah, this is gonna fucking work. It might fall on me when it comes out. Oh God, it's fucking dripping on me. Did it drip on my phone? Oh, there she goes. Do I just wait a minute and let it all drain, or do I keep fucking whacking and flinging fluid over myself every time I swing? Oh. Is that what it's supposed to look like? What's the quality of that fluid right there? I see little bits floating in it. Oh, maybe I should move that off the tarp. It just fell off, hell yeah. And I survived too. It didn't even land on my leg. Oh my God. It gave birth. Look at that. So yeah, I guess that's how you drop a transfer case out of a 2006 Nissan Titan in Saskatchewan. All right, let's see if this works. Okay, so here's the transfer case split apart. Alright, so there's the two halves of the transfer case and the guts, all that crazy stuff, all of that, and we're down to this.